Had this 2006 Lexus LS460 come in today. It had a clean outside, but she got dragged in dirty. No crank, no start, man. I'm telling you, just silence. But silence, man, that's just a setup for a break. And I mean, I'm telling you, right when I thought I had it handled, the lift quit on me. Just stopped mid-rise, no warning. Well, it turns out it was low on fluid. I couldn't catch the pour, but you know, that's life, right? So I got up under here checking out the starter wire, seeing what the problem might be, and I stuck my hand in that little hole. It turns out that exhaust is hot. Got to lift back up and back to work, because when you're running low, you don't quit. You fill up and keep rising. Come to find out, the starter relay was the villain this time. Just no juice getting to the starter. So what do? We go straight to the source. I jumped it, she came alive. Not pretty, but very effective. Sometimes, you know, you just gotta bypass the junk that's holding you back. Clean fix, no more workarounds. Just like life, patch jobs, you know, they get you by, but healing, that takes a proper rebuild. Romans 12:2 says, "Do not conform to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind." Every no start has a reason. Every silence has a story, but when power flows right,